How to change the default SMS messaging receiving app on your Poco X6 Pro or any other Poco phones with Android 15 Hyper OS 2. To get started, go ahead and use the quick access by pulling this down one time, and with Hyper OS 2, you're looking for the settings toggle that looks like this here, this one right there. Once you're in this section here, you're going down to where it says apps. So go down until you see apps, this right here. And as you enter into the apps section, you want to look at the top right here at the right top, and you'll see three dots. Tap on that, and you'll see other settings. Go ahead and tap on that one time. And now that you're here, you'll see these different options, and you'll see default apps. So go into that. This is going to give you a list of all the default apps settings you can change from. And you want to go to where it says messaging right here. Now for you, you probably might just see one of these, which would be the Google Dialer one at chance. However, if you do want to get more, you can go to the Play Store and get some free ones that you can install for free and make use of it. Now, once you're here and you see the different ones, they will only show up if it's compatible, and then you can choose the one that you want. And once you select it, it will now be that default messaging app, like in